from my chair, just Hicks, and today I'm going to be testing out some baby toys. Baby toys. Alright, first thing is up is a rattle, or whatever this is called. It's a baby toy for sisters. All these toys are my sisters. Cool. Next up is this bell in a ball. Bell ball. This is cool. The next item is in her crate. It's like a music thing. It's kind of long, so let's see what else we have here. Oh, here. Okay, so it's
Count with me. Ready? Hit it. 1, 2, 3.
And this, it's a bell in here, and this is like, this right here is what she's teething. She bites on it. And what else? Oh, that's it. All right, that's it. We got it for today. One little disease that is a wrap.